Hi guys, welcome to our ECE 475 final project of cat and dog recognition. This is Yicheng Wu, my group member is Chixun Zhang and Xiaopeng Gu. So for this project, we mainly want to develop a machine learning program that can recognize if a picture shows a cat or a dog. This is inspired by recent research topics like facial recognition, and we want to apply this technique to the pets. So we know that there has been a lot of researches done on this area, and we know that this area has a lot of potential future applications. For example, we can apply the cat and dog recognition program to the software so that people can just use their phone to recognize their pets. Also, in the future, we can apply more animals to the program so that it can be used more widely. To achieve our goal, we use three methods. The first approach is regular machine learning, which we use the Newton's method as the optimization and the cross-entropy cost as the cost function. The core code is shown below, and let me show you all the code for this method. You can take a look at it. So in this method, we get a result of average accuracy as 0.71. We think that this accuracy is too far from 100% and is too low. So we cannot apply this to the real life. We move on to the second approach. This time we use HOG with the regular machine learning. So we use gradient descent as the optimization and cross-entropy cost as the cost function. The detailed core code is shown below. And let me show you all the codes for this method. Okay, so here's the result. The average accuracy is 0.81. We think that this is better than the last one, but still it's not very close to 100%, so it cannot be applied to real life either. That's why we move on to our third approach, the machine learning with convolutional neural network, known as CNN. So here we show the train function, and also I'll show you the main function we use. So let's go back. Here is the result. You can see for the parameter, we use the epoch as 10 and the LR equals to 0.001. And the accuracy is 99.58%. We think that this result is very close to 100%, and which means that it's reliable and we can apply this to real-life programs. So as a conclusion, in this research, we focus on building a machine learning program that can recognize if a picture shows a cat or a dog, and at last we get an accuracy of 0.9958. which means that we succeed and the program we build can be applied to real life. For the first two approach, we use a dataset containing 1,000 pictures to train and a dataset containing 300 pictures to test. In the third approach, we use a dataset containing 800 pictures to train and 200 pictures to test. And for the first method, we got 0.71, which is quite low. For the second method, we got 0.81, which is better than the last one. We think this improvement is because the HOG can produce some feature vectors during the process, and it allows the program to recognize some basic image features by itself. And for the CNN, the third method, we get an accuracy of 0.9958. which is better than the others. We think that this improvement is because CNN can do feature transformation multiple times in the network, and it learns the image features much better than the other methods. And the last, we get an accuracy of 0.9958, which means that we succeed. Thank you for listening to our final project presentation.